Hello, for this assignment I decided to learn how to use Google Classroom. This is an application that my school district uses, but I have never had the opportunity to learn how to use it. You would start by logging into your Google account and then going up to your Google Apps and clicking on Classroom. This will bring up a page that looks like this. You can create a new classroom or join a classroom as simply by clicking on the plus button. Fill out the information. I just created a class, so we're going to start with that one. So across the top here you have these three things. This first one shows you what your page actually looks like once it's produced. If you want to edit or add work, you're going to go to the classroom, and the people is for adding students or teachers. You can add up to 20 teachers and 1,000 students. So we're going to go into the classroom. You're going to hit create a new lesson or assignment. You can ask a question, you can post material. We will add an assignment. You will fill out the title. We're just going to do an example. Hit assignment. You can actually go back in and make changes if you need to. You can add an attachment. You can pull something from your Google Drive. You can add a video just by typing in what you're looking for. Let's try Google, Classroom, and see what we can find. Sorry, running a little slow. So we're going to add this. It will add a link in. You can add questions. You can, I should have done this before I clicked off. But you can also get into grading, so you can put how many points, a due date, as simple as putting in, clicking, sorry. You can create a topic. Okay, so this lesson was created. We can go back here and see what it looks like, how people are going to see it. Where's it? Sorry. Oh. Example. And we have to go into instructions because the other part's going to show you what students have done. Here's a lesson we just created. Students would be able to go in and watch this video. Hopefully it'll play. This would be something you would check out beforehand to make sure you would be able to play this on your school server. I also was learning how to use Google Forms for another class that I was signed up for. And I was going to show you. Google Forms is a great tool for getting feedback, creating lessons, pretty much anything. So this is one that I created, and I wanted to show you a little bit about it. Oh, I'm sorry. This is actually, you can grade your assignments and give feedback to students all from Google Classroom. I attached a video on how to do that, seeing as how we don't have a lot of time. But this is my Google form that I created. This allows you to create questions. You can do linear scales. You can do short answers, drop downs. There's so many choices. This, again, is very simple to use. You would just click the plus button. You would add your question or whatever your title is. Then you could do multiple choice or short answer, which would give a person a chance, and it's as simple as that. So, but in order to use this in Google Classroom, you need to add your link. Forms doesn't work extremely well with you have to add the link, but then you actually have to go to the forms. But another quick thing to show you about forms is if you go into responses, this is really a great thing. You scroll down, it will show you answers or grids to all your questions. This can be exported right to a trying to figure out where it is. I'm sorry, I was on the wrong part of the page. So if you scroll up to the top, you'll see this little thing. If you click on that, you can actually send all your responses to a spreadsheet where everything can be available to see right away. That would make it easy. You could use this for collecting students' information in the beginning of the school year. This just is a really great program altogether. I hope you enjoyed, and I wish I had more time to teach you more.